I'm gonna show you how to make a fresh avocado salsa. It's perfect to eat with chips or to top my cilantro lime chicken, but it's super simple. Let's get started. So I have 2 avocados that are soft to the touch, they're ripe, the little knob came off, so it's soft. That means the avocado is ripe and good to go. I'm going to simply slice my avocado in half. And perfect avocado right here. Now I want to dice it, so I'm going to take a knife and just score my avocado half first. And then using a spoon, you're going to scoop out the diced avocado meat right into your bowl. And then you're gonna repeat the process with the second avocado. Of course, you could double the recipe and make a lot. This is very popular for entertaining. And just so you know, I'm gonna leave the ingredient measurements right below the video in the description box for you, as well as other recipes that you can use this avocado salsa on. So the diced avocado, I'm going to add some lime juice. My lime is at room temperature, so it helps it squeeze out the most of the juice. If you had your lime in the fridge, go ahead and take it out and pop it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, then give it a good roll in your counter to release all those juices. And we're gonna slice it in half. I usually have a lime squeezer somewhere, but I can't find it today, so by hand works too. I've got some chopped cilantro that I simply took a bunch that's washed and chopped it up real small, and I'm gonna add it into my bowl. I also have a chopped shallot. I like using shallot in this avocado salsa because it's not as strong as a red onion, but you could also use a red onion if that's what you have, or a sweet Vidalia onion, for example. To the recipe, just chop it up really small, because remember, you're gonna wanna use a chip or put this avocado salsa on top of your chicken or other recipes, so really small is great. And some salt. Definitely needs a little salt to counteract the sweetness of our avocado because it's super ripe. And then with my spoon, I'm simply gonna gently toss it around so my avocado is coated with the lime juice, the salt, and every single piece has some of those flavors that we love. Now you do want to make this right before you're going to use it because the avocados tend to brown, even though it's got some lime juice in it, which will help slow down the oxidation process. You definitely want to just make it fresh and use it right away. So good. What a great way to eat avocados. Make sure to grab the ingredient measurements below this video, as well as other recipes that you can use this avocado salsa. And while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.